We're going to show you a quick demo of the Nabeya Eron FA Vise 125mm. This is a mechanical force multiplying vise and comes with a torque adjustment setting. So on the dial here you have different torque levels. Right now we're set to 30 kilonewtons. You can also set down to 20 or 10 kilonewtons by turning this outer dial while holding this portion still. Once you have the torque set to the torque you want to clamp your part at, you get your part loaded in there, snug the vise up on your part, and after putting the handle on the vise, you go around one time, and that's it. Handle doesn't move anymore. You are now at 30 kilonewtons of clamping force on your part.